But of course, that is the standard right now, and members are divided. Some wanted or some wanted to the polling but of course, that is the standard right now, and members are divided. Some wanted or some wanted to but of course, that is the standard right now, and members are divided.
Sasa mtu anakuja anataka tukiingia kwa laini. Umeona? Na isitoshe kwamba hatujaona kwamba akiomba kura. Hatujaona akiomba kura. Yeye anakuja tu anaingia kwa laini na ingia direct vote. Sisi tumetoka kusimama asubuhi mpaka saa hii.
I think everybody is impatient on the line. Everybody is impatient in the line, and I think that's the whole issue. Because we are using one stream, you know, here it's supposed to be 3. So most people have stayed from 5 a.m. And that is the challenge that everybody wants. They are tired and they want to queue. Even the easier is, I'm queuing. I'm already in the queue. In fact, we are queuing with the MC aspirant here. He's also queuing. Yeah. No, it's okay. It's okay to queue. I don't think there is a problem. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay to queue.